In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your website to your Facebook business page. By the end, your visitors will be able to find and click your site directly from your page, which helps drive traffic and builds credibility for your business. Start by going to your Facebook business page. You'll know you're in the right place if you see your business's profile picture and cover photo at the top, along with the usual page tabs and management options. From there, look just below your profile picture and click About. This opens the section where Facebook stores your page details, like your contact information and links. Once the About section is open, scroll until you find the area labeled Website and Social Links. This section is designed specifically for your website and other platforms, so it's the perfect place to add your URL in a way that's easy for visitors to spot. When you see it, click Add a Website to open the field where you can enter your link. In the Website field, type your full website URL. It's best to include the complete address, starting with HTTP or HTTPS. If your site uses a secure connection, and most do, make sure you include HTTPS to avoid any link warnings. Double-check for typos or missing characters, since even a small mistake can break the link. If it helps, copy the URL directly from your browser and paste it in to ensure accuracy. Consider using your main domain or a clean landing page rather than a long tracking link, so it looks professional and is easy for visitors to recognize. After entering the URL, click Save. That's the key action that publishes your link to your page. Once saved, your website will appear on your Facebook business page for visitors to access directly. Depending on the layout, it may show in your About section and sometimes in the intro panel on desktop. On mobile, it typically appears under your contact information, making it simple for people to tap and visit. If you don't immediately see the change, give it a moment and refresh the page. Different page layouts can display information slightly differently, but the website and social links area is always the right place to manage this. Keeping your website visible on your page helps guide customers from social to your site, where they can learn more, contact you, or make a purchase. And that's all there is to it. You've added your website to your Facebook business page. Quick, clear, and effective.